Hello guys and welcome back to my cool YouTube channel. For those who don't know me, my name is Michael Trader and I am a professional trader in the field of forex and binary options. So today as always I decided to show you how to make millions on this market, and if you want to know how to do this, let's watch this video. Done. Now we are ready to open our first trade. We have already done this. Sell position. As you can see, we have invested our whole deposit in this trade, $131. It was done due to the fact that first of all, we are currently overbought, and we need to have a serious cool down. Otherwise, we will not have any more space for the continuation of the current growth. Moreover, we had a false breakthrough of the resistance line zone, after which price immediately got back below the resistance line zone, and this is giving us additional confirmation to open sell position that we have already done. So the first trade is closed with profit. We have $251 on the account and we are ready to continue. So here we have open buy position, investing our $251. So the trade is closed with profit. We have $470 and we are ready to continue. Let me see. Okay, so here your GPI, we have opened one more buy position. It's like obligatory because firstly we have broken through the middle line of the Keltner channel. Secondly, as you can see, according to the zigzag, we're also in the buy zone, and all we need to do right now is just to relax and wait and see what will we get from this trade. But for now everything is going really good, even though we are quite close to the entry point. But let's don't worry about this. Situation is already becoming better, much better. We have even broken through the upper edge of the Kelvin channel. Let me draw for you channel so that you can clearly see what is going on. So this trade will be closed with profit. It's already done. We have $1,700 on the account and we are ready to continue. While you are waiting for the next trade, don't forget to open description to this video and subscribe to my private TJ, where you'll get access to the best trading signals, analytics and educational materials that will help you to become a professional experienced trader. And moreover, if you write me a private message and tell me, Michael, I want to become VIP, I will automatically add you to my private VIP channel, in which you will get access to the same kind of online trading sessions, and you will be able to start trading and earning together with me online each day. So don't waste your time, do this right now and bear with me, a link in the description. Okay, while I was talking, at the Audi CAD, we have opened one more trade. This is buy position, according to which, why did we open it? Firstly, we have broken through the middle line of the channel. Secondly, we have even retested it, failed to get back below the middle line, started using it like the support line zone, and now we are growing towards the upper edge of the same channel. We have already received confirmation from the zigzag indicators that we're in the buy zone. Now let's just wait until time runs out and we will get money from this trade. Let's continue, guys. Here we have open sell position after touching the upper edge of the channel, we started having a very strong pullback reaction. That's why I decided just to follow the drop and to open sell position that we're having right now. So done, we have $6,391 and we are ready to move forward. We have broken through the resistance line zone, gathered the stop losses of the sellers, and I think that we're going to use this as our fuel for the continuation of the current growth. So that's why I have opened buy position here, investing my old deposit once again. So once again, it's closed and we have 12K, $12,272. It's amazing trading sessions. I'm like really happy right now because we have multiplied our balance around 120 times more, and this is one of my best results during my whole history of trading on this channel, and we have done this, guys. So what can I tell you? If I'm surprised, I don't know what even you're feeling right now. What can we do? We need to improve. And for that purpose, guys, I just really want you to open the description to this video right now and subscribe to my private TJ for the best learning materials ever to upgrade your trading skills. I'm sure we can do this together. Moreover, I'm wishing you the best day ever. Kiss you all, see you all, and bye-bye.